Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jarvis. Today we're diving into an important concept in blockchain technology that often confuses beginners, but is absolutely essential for developers and projects. The content presented on the Syntaxverse channel does not represent investment or financial advice of any kind. The information, graphics, speeches are provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. We're talking about testnets. So, what exactly is a testnet? A testnet, short for test network, is a blockchain that runs separately from the main blockchain, also called the mainnet. Think of it like a practice field. Developers use it to test applications, smart contracts, and upgrades before deploying them on the real network, where actual money is at stake. On the mainnet, every mistake can be very costly. Imagine deploying a smart contract with a bug that locks up millions of dollars in cryptocurrency. On a testnet, however, developers use tokens that have no real-world value. This means they can experiment, find bugs, and improve their code without risking any financial loss. Now you might be wondering, how do testnet tokens work? Testnet tokens are freely available and can usually be claimed through something called a faucet. A faucet is like a free dispenser that gives out these fake tokens so developers can simulate transactions, pay fees, and test their applications under realistic conditions. There are also different types of testnets. Some are public testnets, where anyone can join and test. Others are private testnets, used internally by a project's development team before opening up to the public. Big blockchain ecosystems, like Ethereum, usually have multiple testnets, each serving slightly different purposes, from stress testing to consensus experiments. So why do testnets matter? First, they make blockchain development safer. Developers can build with confidence, knowing they can fix errors before going live. Second, they make blockchain networks more reliable. Community members can help test upgrades and provide feedback before these upgrades affect millions of users. And third, testnets foster innovation. By lowering the cost of experimenting, they encourage more people to build in the blockchain space. In summary, testnets are like training grounds for blockchain technology. They protect users, support developers, and strengthen the overall ecosystem. Without them, blockchain adoption would be far riskier and far slower. So next time you hear about a project launching its testnet, you'll know that it's not just a side project. It's an important step toward building a safer and more reliable mainnet. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone curious about blockchain and Web3. See you in the next one.